Hello everyone, my name is Makgopa. I'm Bafana striker. I'm here with
yes, it's only Bafana midfielder.
Yeah, today we're gonna do a banter questioning for Bafana, so I'm gonna start going.
I see.
Quick. Yeah, so who's the funniest teammate here in camp?
Let me see. I can say it's Obri Modiba because this guy is it's funny and it's easy to connect with him as well because he gels with everyone in the team. So I can say it's him.
Obri.
Can give it to him.
I'm with you. Who's the most serious person in this camp?
In the camp? The most serious? I can say it's Ronza, because he's the captain and also he guides us in everything that we do. Like he makes sure that we do like everything in order at all times. So I can say it's Ronza.
So in this tournament you are going to AFCON. So what are you looking forward to?
It's a good question. But I think everyone in the group have the same goal of winning the tournament because now that it's possible and we have a good team that they can win the AFCON.
Yeah, so you have a bronze, no?
We've got a bronze, so obviously now I want the gold.
Yeah. So who scored the winning goal in Morocco?
It's you. I would say it's the better.
Oh, young team,
yeah.
Okay, I'll pass this one to you.
Okay, team and dressing room vibes. Okay, who's is the loudest in the changing room?
I think we have two.
Who?
Two goalkeepers, Chain and Ghost.
And then the other one is who's the worst dancer in the squad?
Obri.
Yeah. Who's always late to team meetings? No, but I think
we always
in the group
we are punctual. So
we always on time.
There's no room for being late.
No, because like
it's a rule. It's a rule.
He doesn't like that.
You can't be late.
You can't.
Yeah.
So we don't have. Yeah. So who controls all the music playlists and do you agree with their choices?
Here, man, you don't really listen to music that much.
Yeah,
always singing.
But before it was Veli.
Yeah,
Veli was always.
Here we always singing.
Yeah.
So the leader of the choir,